Welcome back to Sunday Funday, where we review our M1 Finance Growth Portfolio Spreadsheet. So in our Growth Portfolio Spreadsheet, we have basically five of the biggest growth stocks. Five growth stocks, they're not necessarily the biggest. We decided to take our $25 wellness credit that our employer gives us for doing our wellness exam and buy some stocks that normally we wouldn't have enough money to buy, but because M1 Finance offers fractional shares, we could buy some Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, Alphabet, and Berkshire Hathaway. So basically, we just have our pie for M1 Finance set to 20% of each of them, and as we deposit money, it purchases the shares for us. So a little different thing for 2021 is that we decided because we had been getting this $25 wellness credit for a few years now, that we are going to double that amount. So this year, every time we get paid, we're going to put $50 into this account to hopefully increase our account balance and hopefully increase our returns. As you can see, we are currently up $219.32, and we have a total return of 24.1%. which is pretty good. So for the month of January, we deposited $100, and we were able to purchase small amounts of each one of our stocks, and we're just slowly dollar cost averaging into the each one of the stocks. Goal of this account is to basically take money that we normally wouldn't have been given or wouldn't have if our employer didn't give this to us, to buy stocks that we normally wouldn't purchase, to make money that we normally wouldn't make. Another goal of this account is to show us that your deposits don't have to be huge, but you do have to deposit the money and buy the stocks to get the gains. It doesn't matter the amount of money that you're working with, it's just that you're getting your money to work for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out other investing videos. There's some on the screen, and there's some also in the sidebar. Thanks for watching.